we are still on the compound probability. Now let me give you another example. Suppose a regular die will be rolled. Let P be the event of getting a prime numbers and E be the event of getting an even numbers. Now, our problem is to find out the union of P, event P, union event E, or the prime numbers union to the even numbers. And we have also to find out the intersection of P intersection B. Of course, first and for things to do is that we have to find the sample space or the universal set. Remember that the universal set or the sample space are the same. So the possible outcomes, if we have to roll a die, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, of course, to find for their intersection and at the same time union, we have first to list down all the possible outcomes of event E and event P that represents the even numbers and odd numbers. So if I have to find for the sample space or the element of event E, that is equals to 2, 4, and 6 that represent an even number, and for event P or the prime numbers, it is represented by 2, 3, and 5. Of course, to find for the union of a prime numbers union by an even numbers, we just simply combine the two given sets of elements. So I have here 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the union. We just combine the two events to have our union of the two given events where we can find out the even and prime numbers. Now to look for their intersection, we just simply look for their common numbers that can be found in event E and event B, and that is number 2. And therefore, the intersection of a prime number and an even number is 2. That is your final answer. Let's have example number 2. Suppose a regular die will be rolled. Let E be the event of getting two even numbers and F be the event of getting the same phase. Of course, first is we have to list all the elements of the two events. We have the event of getting an even numbers and the event of having same phase. So the event of getting an even number is we have 2 and 2, 2 and 4, 4 and 2, 2 and 6, and 6 and 2. For an event having the same phase, we have 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, and 6 and 6. Now, to find for the union of these two events, which is event E and F, we just simply combine event E, which is 2 and 2 until 6 and 2, and event F, which is same phase, which is equivalent to 1 and 1 until 6 and 6. Thus, our final answer for the union of this event are 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 4, 3 and 3, 4 and 2, 4 and 4, 2 and 6, 5 and 5, 6 and 2, and 6 and 6. These are the union of these two events that would happen. How about if we're going to find out their intersection? Well, we just simply find out for their common number that can be found in these two events, and that is equals to 2 and 2. And therefore, their intersection is 2 and 2 of these given expressions. Good luck!